You may be wondering how people use Trickster voice filter on TikTok. Here is exactly how you can do this. Very simple and easy, guys. All you have to do, you want to open your TikTok account, of course, and now you want to click the record button here, this plus at the very bottom, this plus, click it. All right, now as you can see here, guys, after you click this plus, you want to just record anything. Okay, you want to just record anything, just say whatever you want so that you can get the Trickster voice filter on TikTok. Click this here. Now after you want to just record anything, just say whatever you want so that you can get the Trickster voice filter on TikTok. Click this editing. Okay, you want to just record anything, mic icon, just say whatever you want icon. So that after that you can choose here Trickster. Okay, if you can find here Trickster, click it. Just search for Trickster. Now I don't find it because I have to do something here. Now if you can find it, click it, and then it will change your voice.
Okay, you wanna just record anything, just say whatever you.
Now in case you don't find it, all you have to do, guys, to add Trickster to your account, which I did the same thing on my other accounts. I just added Trickster to my other account, and here is what I did. I didn't have this filter. I didn't have it. Now what you want to do, guys, to add Trickster, you want to click three little lines in the top right. After that, you want to click on settings and privacy at the bottom. After that, you want to scroll down at the very bottom and click on report a problem. After that, you want to scroll down at the very bottom, keep scrolling, and then click submit a report, as you can see. Now what you want to type here, guys, you want to type here, hi TikTok, I don't have Trickster voice filter on my account. Just say this, guys, and you will get back to you within 24 hours with a solution for your problem. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. So please be patient and come back to this video within 24 hours and let us know if this works. And then click submit. By the way, click submit, and you will get back to you within 24 hours. So hopefully this video, guys, is helping you. See you guys in the next video. Leave a like.